Gasina agenda nnyo wala, of course, nze mukimanyi. I've been here for some good time. I've done a lot of songs since 29 up to now. We've been making hits, and then kama naja natuyamba to making a lot of hits, doing viral different countries, made our country proud, and I think there's a lot of hits. So I'm happy to be here in Mbarara after almost 4 years, 5 years. I've been missing my fans, they've been missing out so many hits. Nyimba nyingi zetukubyawo ezakabiri naweta kuziwuliza, so tomorrow is the day. I'm so happy to be here, so grateful, and I want to give my brothers an opportunity to at least greet the people. You never know, somewhere that will be watching this interview somewhere, we go to know about them and what they do. So yeah, we start from here.
Universty Megaton, and I'm very happy to be part of the Road to Eddy Kenzo Festival. I've been in music for 8 years now. I've never heard of any artist trying to make a festival for us. So I'm very humbled to be part of this festival. And for tomorrow, ntekateka abanyambara tina takuchimanya nomne nimbabyami kula drive shy 10 za kasheshe nendaba. So everyone knows about the Eddy Kenzo Festival, the Road to Eddy Kenzo Festival that is happening tomorrow at Universty Inn. So Nyoka Megaton, I'm very happy in that the fans, Eddy Kenzo fans, are going to abahatsi ba Eddy Kenzo baza kufuna chance yokureba Truth, Megaton and other Western artists on the same stage with Eddy Kenzo. So Kenzo giving opportunity to Western talent is what we have been always wanting as Western artists. So Kenzo, thank you very much, and tomorrow we are going to do the best to make sure that everything happens as a success.
Yes, amazina nabanyeta Truth 256. First of all, baza kusima Kenzo na management mpereza omugisha gukora nabo coming this Saturday. I've been a friend to Kenzo for quite some time. He has supported me in very different ways, and it was way something promising, because I'm so grateful and glad to be part of the history that's going to be made. That's the festival. But first of all, supporting a Kenzo, supporting a music, supporting a Western music generally, and not supporting a Kanyomuntu. Speaking for myself, Truth 256, and ebintu byona sima mukama izoberi na nizoberi atitsikuri anchakari na nizoberi ya festival kwiza n'ebintu byona atubera ko buzima tukikore wewe
first and foremost, I first appreciate all the media handles about record taking so essential and you left to what you're doing of them. To my case, I first take this opportunity to thank Team Eddy Kenzo and Team D3 Concepts. Those are my brothers. We work in the same hand to see that.
Putting on t-shirts to make sure that they make an awareness. I thank you guys, and I will never let you down. What I promise you is what I'm doing is for all of us, not only me, but it's for all of us. We get inspired in different ways to make sure that at least we put ourselves on the next level. We will learn different lessons in what we do on a daily. And about the Western artists performing on the event, I chose that because, you know, when we travel, we go to different countries in the world, but you might find that artists, they don't only come in the capital cities. they also come from there, they come from, and they represent all the people. So I think it's all about that. That's why we are trying to put emphasis and promote these artists to make sure that at least they can base in their home and just to make it better, bigger in the country, right? Because they represent the whole country, though coming from their regions. So I want to make sure that I will be giving an opportunity to all the people and encourage them that they should represent who they are. They should believe in themselves and promote their culture to the world through using our regions of where we come from. So njakuba musanyufu nnyo okulaba bano n'abataliiwo tugenda kufuna bangiko barasita chairs n'abalala tujja kumakinga sure nti bajja n'abapya stage, then we'll get some from Kampala tulabe nga ate tukola show egenda okubeera ey'omulembe. We have big talent band in the house. They are going to be doing a great job, and so awetuli Zedi very happy, I'm very happy. Buli kimu kirungi, mood eri waggulu 100%. So I'm just ready to make you guys happy because I wouldn't wait. Banga libadde ddene naye kati wano tuli tutuuse kubanga ate nsanyusa abantu bange ab'Embarara n'okuba inviting officially to Eddy Kenzo Festival that is going to be happening 12 November. It's really going to be amazing. It is a history in the making because we're going to be doing this year after year, and I want people to be doing it for me even when I go, you know. So it means a lot to me, and I think it means a lot to my fans because they know where we came from and where we are. We want to welcome our
Martin is one of our big artists here.
Nice meeting you. Say something at least. So I want to hand over back at the microphone to my brother Kacheche and welcome the questions. If you have a question that is not about the sponsor tomorrow, we are okay. You can ask anything. No problem. It's okay. We'll give them no problem. But first, so we create jobs. Betutambula mu town nyingi nnyo. Tukoma okutambula tukoma okuliyetinga emirimu mu bantu. Ekyokulala, we are trying to make sure that the festival egenda mu maaso emyaka mingi nnyo. At least ne bwemba siriwo sente zivaamu basobola okugandi kati Road to Eddy Kenzo Festival Mbarara Bakachecho bana mulala ina abaliwo balisobodde agikola bayimbi ne bajja ne bayimba ne bakolectinga sente basitwala oba mu Mbarara Hospital bani basitwalawo abandi basikolamu anything in Mbarara nekisigalawo asiyambye abantu b'Embarara oba Masaka oba kubanga it has to move ne bwe tugamba tugikoze Kampala wokka kiba kitegeeza era bajja kikola ngaawo wokka basikole bakiveeko naye bwe tuba nga tugenda tukitambuza ne tubalaga modo yakyo kiba kitegeeza it will continue like that and it benefits people from different places in their area. Ekyogamba nti mbeera strong after whatever happened between me and my ex, I have to be strong. In this life, the only option we have is strong. You understand? You can't just give up. When you give up, then you have given up. You understand? But if you be strong and omusajja emirundi gyagwa ekira nnyo okugibala naye emirundi gyasituka alijjo tugibala nnyo ne tutuserezaliza kubanga tetwanira. So I'm here stronger than ever, ready, and we are moving well.
Let me have a question here.
Yeah, hello. My name is
Banga nga bwe nandega abo gende Nigeria buli state erina omusita ate nga gye babeera tebabeera na mulekezi babeera mu bitundu byabwe era ne bakubirayo ne bafuuka bakabi eregosi nabo bajja kuyimba ne bavawo ne baddayo. So ndowooza kino ekintu tekirina kyekindabye nti Uganda gye bujja myaka ng'etaano okuvaka abantu bagenda kubeera strong back balina media houses kubanga olwaleero tunula kino ekiri wano oyinza okulowooza tuliwa somewhere in Kampala kati bwe kino okuba nga tulina media houses tulina studios nabyewo abaana abalina YouTube channels. That's the way to go. That's the way to go. Kubanga kati tuli tutuuse mulamwa nti wabeera ne YouTube channel ye n'ateekamu amaanyi mangi. They can even earn up to 50 million per month. They can. It depends on your energy. You understand, and your content. Kati kitegeeza n'abayimbi nze nzize Mbarara. So kinkakatako olunaku luli okuba kuteerawo hour nti abayimbi bagenda kukuba tugambe nti abeeno basatu bana otegeera kubanga we studying in the morning and we are tugenda kumala stay in the morning. So and we have almost like 3 stages. Yes, bantu bamuvunja buvuzi from this stage to this one. You understand? So kino tekigenda koma. Yes. Truth has been my brother from day one, and I've given him some little support, and I'm still going to do more, you know.
Let me have
Okay,
I've been with my sound engineer for the last, I think, 10 years, you know. True money, true Bandi and gave tubadde ffenna for the last like 6-7 years. Tutambudde tukubye Bulaya tukubyewa, like we know what we are doing. And for our settings is really going to be okay. Because that will teach single obukulu kubanga abantu bajja okubanga bawulira okusobola kuzanyira mu sound. Obubenje bubaawo anything can happen, but I promise we will do our best. And the sound is going to be good. Nga nze bamuzeeyi wange abuuza ekibuuzo kirungi. Omuntu akola atya okwekuumira ku tto nga tafunye buzibu? Nze ndowooza this is our management to overcome this challenge. I remember a long time ago I used to complain a lot. Until I realized that, you know what? People are people and they always be themselves. But it's all about you. Life starts with you and it ends with you. So it's all about you facing the challenges and be a soldier because you know where you're already. Kati abantu balina okwekuuma nga bakuuma spirits zaabwe kuba nti tebakyankalana. Olina okwekuuma n'obeera ng'oba musanyufu, obeera omuntu atakomplaininga, omuntu ataleetaletuddeawo blaming, pointing fingers, but you have to be a fighter and take people as people. Because people don't need to change you, but you have to change people because you want them and you want to deal with them. If you don't want to deal with them, you isolate yourself and be there alone. But if you feel that you're going to be working with people, you have to mingle with them, you have to make sure that you work with them, kubanga bobeewo and you cannot change them. That is okuuma your mental health and you keep on going no matter the challenge, because you will know that people will always be. So complaints tandika okubanga ziba ntono n'okunyingira abantu n'obayongesa n'obabulaminga otandika okutambula ng'otambula bulungi kubanga otegedde nti ensi bwetyo eyo bibaawo.